Hello again, and welcome back to our H.E.A.T Academy weekly talks on life mastery, how to master your life and become your ultimate self. My name is Dr. Francis Vala. I'm a medical weight loss doctor and a certified master life coach. I'm also the founder of H.E.A.T Academy, which stands for Human Empowerment and Transformation. Today, I want to share a little bit more about this groundbreaking tool that we talked about the previous weeks, the H.E.A.T Life Target. So let me share my screen with you. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit more about specifically the mind foundation. And again, I'm going to use one of my patients as an example. So let's say Mrs. Smith comes to my office and we want to use this tool. So Mrs. Smith, do you have any mental illnesses? She says, yes, I have been dealing with depression for some time. Okay, well, so let's talk about that. So automatically, as soon as she says she's been diagnosed with depression, she would fit somewhere in the red zone. So let's try to figure out how to quantify that. So first of all, she needs to have a clear diagnosis. It's not that, oh, I feel depressed, I feel down. We want to make sure that there's a clear diagnosis there. So yes, she has been diagnosed with depression, but it is mild depression and she is not using any or taking any medications. So her score would be a 4 out of 10. And we start working together. Our goal is to get her out of the red zone toward the green zone. So we start a program and I will follow up with her on a regular basis based on markers and based on criteria that we have. We want to make sure that she's improving, not just subjectively, oh, thank you, I feel better, not just that, but objectively, we have certain validated questionnaires that we use and are being used across the world to validate and quantify objectively how her depression is progressing. So we use a number of those health and wellness tools. And as I mentioned previously, there's more to this scale or human potential scale. There's a whole technology and a system behind that. So we use those health and wellness data to track our progress and monitor how she's doing. And our goal is to work with the patient or client or member to improve their lives specifically in their mental health. So to prevent or move away from mental illness and move towards mental wellness. That is our ultimate goal. So let's say we do a program and I work with her, and after 3 months, we do another follow-up assessment. And by now, subjectively, she feels much better. She's out of the depression. She's not using any medications. And we use those validated questionnaires again, and she scores much higher, consistent with the healthy zone. So her mind human potential score was initially 4 out of 10, and now she has moved to 7 out of 10, which is a healthy zone, and it's an average healthy zone. So there's a 3 points or 30% improvement in her human potential score. I hope you find that valuable. If you do, I would like you to talk about others, talk to others about the value of this system. It's a free tool that I want to share with the world because this could really revolutionize the whole personal development as well as the health and wellness industry. We use this with many members along with other coaches, and health and wellness providers are starting to use this tool. I would like to invite you, if you have not, to use this QR code to download our H.E.A.T Academy app through which we will distribute value content like this one with you and others. I hope to have served you. Live your life with love, passion, and purpose. Until next time, so long.